Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This session focuses on diminutive expressions and sociolinguistics. I hope by the end of this session you will be able to understand the social dimensions and the linguistic dimensions of the use of diminutives all across the globe. The use of diminutives in everyday social life interactions is a very, very common phenomenon that is found in almost all cultures. In fact, a wide range of diminutives are available in every culture, in every language that are used. When we come to defining diminutives, diminutives are the words or expressions that communicate smallness or that connote affection and endearment. So, there are two important aspects that they denote the idea of smallness, making something small, or this can be negative as well. And then there is a positive aspect as well where, a kind of endearment is shown or affection is shown. The term diminutive derives from the Latin term diminuere, meaning diminish, decrease, lessen, reduce, or impair. So I think the meaning of the term itself throws light on what function actually it serves. This leads to conceptual meanings concerning various dimensions, that is, for example, small size, approximation, as well as evaluative or expressive and stylistic connotative meanings that are attached to it. So, when it comes to their use, diminutives denote the diminishing animate or inanimate objects, events, or properties and relations, and or they convey affection on the part of the speaker. So, they can be used for both the positive purposes and for the negative purposes. They can also express, thus from the positive angle, they can express admiration, they can be used to admire. From the negative perspective, they can be used to derogate somebody, they can be used for derogatory purposes. They can also be used to create humor in a particular sociolinguistic context. I would just share a few examples to give you an idea of what they are. So, for example, these diminutives are created in English, native English context by using, if you look at the screen, by using these, suffixes ok and ak. So, from bull to bullock or, hillock from hill. So by using these, the meaning of smallness, from hill to hillock, for example, is created and it is used. In the same way, sometimes n or the suffix n is used, or sometimes even on is used as well. For example, chicken, kitten, and maiden, this goes here, maiden. So, a little maid, maiden. So, this is used for this purpose as well. Sometimes ish is used for that. For example, reddish, smallish, tallish. Well, my dear students, as far as the study of diminutive expressions are concerned, they provide insights into the social structures and relationships of people and how people express their feelings and how they show their attitudes while they are in interactions with each other in the social and linguistic context.